If you have a farm, chances are you've leased or purchased equipment to help you plant, raise, and harvest crops, raise and feed livestock, or keep produce fresh for transport and sale. Mechanical breakdown coverage is your silent partner in protecting and maintaining your essential farm equipment. It provides protection against mechanical, electrical, and pressure system breakdown. It's not included in standard farm or commercial insurance policies, so check with your agent to see about adding this coverage. Here we are in a milking parlor, the essential part of any working dairy farm. Equipment like this, milking machines, refrigerated storage units and compressors, even circuit breaker panels, would all be protected against mechanical breakdown under an equipment breakdown coverage policy from your farm insurance agent. Equipment breakdown coverage also provides protection for your computerized feeding systems, well pumps and irrigation, and conveyor systems. This specialty coverage can be personalized for your unique farm operation. It can include both commercial structures and personal dwellings on your farm. And it can help you avoid any gaps in coverage so there are no surprises if you file a claim. Talk to your professional insurance agent today about farm mechanical breakdown coverage. Thanks for watching.